friends. Good morning. Today is Tuesday and we're starting our new chapter. Yesterday we had a math test for chapter 10. So regrouping all the way into the hundreds and adding the 3-digit numbers is done for this year. This is our last and final chapter for first grade. You guys have made it. Woohoo! You've done it, guys. This chapter is going to be about fractions, okay? And to begin this chapter, we're talking about symmetry and equal parts. So symmetry is basically when you cut a piece of paper into halves or into, let me show you. So it's a perfect, give me a second. Okay, so if a figure is symmetrical, so I'm gonna show you this, okay? This is a perfect square, okay? It's a little Post-it note. And I'm gonna make a line of symmetry here. The line of symmetry is gonna be where I divide it into equal parts. Can you see this? The line goes right down the middle. Can you see that? And this is equal to this. It's two equal sides, all right? Now, if I keep on folding it, then you'd have different lines of symmetry, but basically what a line of symmetry is this side is the same as this side, okay? So today on your paper, you should have section 11.1 out, which is page 321 and 322. And we're talking about the line of symmetry. And let's read it together on the top of our paper. A line of symmetry is a line that divides a figure into two matching parts. You probably will remember this from when you did this in Kinder B, possibly even Kinder A. Hey, why isn't it sharing? Just a second, friends. What? All right, so we're gonna have to draw lines of symmetry on our paper. A figure is symmetrical if it has a line of symmetry. Okay, so look at these two hats. The two sides of this hat match. So kind of like how I folded my paper in half, both sides matched, right? This side and this side matched. So if I fold, let's pretend you could fold a hat in half, both sides would match on that first one. They are mirror images of each other. Just like when you look at yourself in the mirror, what you're looking at and what you are on this side and what you're looking at reflecting back to you is the same thing, right? So the two sides of this hat don't match because one side is different than the other. If I were to take that hat and fold it in half, one side would be flapped up and the other one would be straight. So that's very different. Let's keep going. Is the red line a line of symmetry? You're going to get to circle yes or no. So remember, when you're looking at the line of symmetry, it should divide the object into two equal parts. That's the main thing, okay? So look at this leaf. Do you see the line of symmetry? Is it dividing it into two equal parts? Two halves that are the same? Yes, on this side it is. Let's look at the binoculars. Are they equal parts? Well, not really, because look at how much bigger this side is than this side, right? That's not equal, so no. Let's look at this croissant. If I divide that, that's divided in half, but is it equal? That does look equal. All right, now you're gonna get a chance to draw a line of symmetry. How would we divide these objects to be symmetrical? Now, if I did a line going this way, would both sides be equal? No, they would not. Help me. How in the world can I divide this heart to be a line of symmetry? Yes, right down the middle. Very good. And if you want, you can add those little arrow lines that they had. All right, let's look at number 5. If I divide this pancake like this, would it be a line of symmetry? Well, no, because the handle. All right, so how can we divide it? Oh, I know. Yep, right there. Okay, let's look at this butterfly. Oh, easy peasy. Would you go this way? No. Oh, right in between. Yep, there you go. Good job. Okay, what about this clipboard? Right down the middle. Good job. And the vase? Does this make sense? Mm-mm. Yes, that's cutting it in half, but that wouldn't be symmetrical because both sides wouldn't be equal. So, oh, did you say go down the middle? Yes, you're so right. And the same, I'm just gonna keep going down all the way for the balloon. Awesome. Okay, let's flip it over to the back really quick. All right, friends, you should be on the back side of your paper. Let me show you mine. There we go. We have some delicious things. I hope you already ate your breakfast or your lunch so you're not getting hungry by doing this math paper. All right, when you cut something in half, think about if you ask your mom to cut your sandwich in half. Oh, there's a sandwich there. How many pieces do you get? 2 pieces. Now, if you cut it in thirds, how many equal parts do you get? 3 equal parts. And if you cut it in fourths, like that pizza there, you're having 4 equal parts. All right, we're gonna use the top as our guide, okay, to help us. Fill in the circle if the object is divided into 2 equal parts. All right, let's look at the circle. Did they cut that exactly into 2 equal parts, exactly in half? Yes, they did. Let's bubble that in. What about this triangle? Not really, because this little guy is different than this little guy. It would be the same shape, and it's not. So no, don't bubble that in. What about the hot dog? It's almost as if you fold it in half on that line of symmetry. It would be the same thing. So yes, on the hot dog. What about this fridge? They cut it this way. Well, this is much bigger than this. So no on the refrigerator. All right, let's keep going. Fill in the circle if the object is divided into 3 equal parts. Well, the first one is showing us 4 equal parts, so automatically that's a no. This next one reminds me of a chocolate bar for 3 people. 1, 2, 3 parts. Is that what we're looking for? 3 equal parts, and they look equal. So yes, let's bubble it in. And that pie, delicious pumpkin pie. Raise your hand if you love pumpkin pie during Thanksgiving and the fall season. So good with whipped cream. Okay, 1, 2, 3 parts, equal parts. Very good. Bubble it in. And the glass of water. That looks less than half. So no, not the glass of water. You don't have to put an X on it. I'm just doing that so you can see it and you don't get confused, okay? And the last part, guys, this paper is easy peasy. I'm gonna have to give them a call because I don't understand why they give you the easiest math papers ever. Fill in the circle if the object is divided into 4 equal parts. Are you ready? It's gotta be 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that 4 equal parts? Yes. This one is 1, 2, 3 equal parts. Can't use it. This one is 2 equal parts when they cut it in half, so you can't use it. And what about this clock? Every quarter hour is 15 minutes, and that's cut into 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Very good. Okay, let me stop my screen sharing so I can see your faces. Awesome, friends. We made it through another math paper, the first of our final chapter in first grade math. You guys are so awesome. All right, guys, I am wishing you the best day ever. Today is Tuesday. I want to remind you to go check out the Facebook page to see what the challenge is for today. Let me see if I can remember. No, I can't remember, but go on Facebook and see how you can help mom and make her feel like a queen in quarantine. All right, guys, have an awesome day. Bye.